Hey guys, Marlon from Impress Computers, and today we have another custom build. As you can tell, it's taken apart from the cooler, and I wanted to explain the fan's running out loud, and the reason why, it's because the thermal paste has gone thick. There's no dissipate from the heatsink, from this heatsink and the actual CPU. So for those who are running custom built machines with the pumps and all that funny little thing, you have to make sure that every 6 months, you have to take off the heatsink, clean it out, reapply thermal paste, because that's going to cool things down. Otherwise, the pump's going to be running air pretty much through the radiator, and there's no contact between the processor and the actual pump. The fans will be running out loud, of course, thinking that, you know, I'm not cooling down. So for those who are looking for basic maintenance, you can bring the machine, and what we'll do is we'll clean the whole thing. We'll take everything apart, and then we'll reassemble with brand new thermal paste. Everything will be dust out with the blown that we have. So if you guys have any questions, leave your comments down below or give us a call at 281-647-9977. Thank you.